Hello, Peter Van, the DentFix guy, here with the DF Easy N1 Easy Nitro Nitrogen Plastic Welder. This is our G unit with the built-in nitrogen generator. Today we're going to talk about tabs. We're going to look at some tabs that are very commonly damaged and how to repair them quickly, cleanly, and easily. Starting with slot tabs. Looking at these slot tabs, this is a very common repair needed to be done. And if you ask a man how many parts he's thrown away because of this damage, he'll tell you all of them. Well, we're going to show you how you can fix these tabs quickly, cleanly, and easily and make some money doing it. Starting with cleaning. Always clean with a soap and water product. Never use solvent on plastic. Once your part is cleaned, I'm going to use a straight cut burr bit on a die grinder to clean off the paint and remove just a layer of plastic. Since I'm adding material, I need to remove some material. Going to apply some aluminum tape, holds the crack together, and gives you a bridge to weld across. We're going to use our 6mm polypropylene rod. I like to get the end of my rod just a little bit hot so it sticks right away, and then just lay it on down. Use the airless to smooth things out. And then give it a squeeze with your hand seamer. This will make sure it's uniform thickness. And then we're going to flip it over and do the other side. We're going to cut the front side just like we did the back. You're going to weld it just like we did the front. This tab's a little bit thicker than most, so I'm going to do a double pass on the front just to give it enough fill. You can use the nitrogen underneath the airless welder to smooth it out. And then hit it with the hand seamer. And I can use the airless welder to clean up my edge. I think that'll stay on the car.